Well, 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 look who it is. You loved my tequila sunrise cocktail so much. You're back for another one? I love it. Let me go set this down. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I know you've been asking for this. It's your frozen margarita recipe of your dreams, and it's so easy. We're gonna demystify all of it today. All you need is your tequila, agave, salt, lime, and a blender. We're using this beautiful blender over here for a frozen margarita, and we just add everything straight inside. So we're going to start with our lime, and please get a fresh lime, squeeze it, give it like a little soft massage, roll it around a little bit so when you juice it, all of those juices come out and make it worth your while. So for that, we're just using 1 ounce or 30 mils. Pop it straight in your blender. A little something sweet. I'm using agave syrup for mine. For this, it's a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. But as a hot little secret, when you're making frozen cocktails, a little bit of the sweetness can be dulled, so I add a tiny, tiny scotch extra. Like 5 mils is plenty. Pop that right in there. And then for the star of our margarita, we are using 100% agave, Altos Plata, and that's going to be 2 ounces or 60 mils right in the blender. And some ice. Popping in some little pebbled ice for our cocktail here. Pop on the lid and away we go. Ready? All right, y'all, it looks slushy, silky, luxurious. It's the frozen margarita recipe of your dreams. You ready? Pour it in your glass. Mine has already been chilled in the freezer with a little bit of a salt rim. I like 1/2 the rim of salt. Some days I want salt, some days I'm salty enough. Pop it right in. She's a beaut. And a little extra lime in case I got carried away with the sweetness. And y'all, it looks beautiful. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. All right, y'all, and for those curious souls out there, the link to the detailed recipe of our frozen Altos Margarita and more variations are available in the video description below. And you can craft the usual margarita, the drink we all know and love, with simple steps too. We actually made a video about it too. You'll find the link in the description box. And remember, this is just the beginning. Hit subscribe, ring that notification bell, and stay tuned for more of us making cocktails together. We have an exciting lineup of refreshing drinks in our upcoming videos, and trust me, baby, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Until next time, remember, it's easy to make quality drinks at home with Altos. Cheers, y'all.